Hey there, welcome to today's video. We are diving into something we all hold close to our hearts, making our home beautiful. Now you might be wondering, why does it even matter? Well, think about it. Our homes are like our personal sanctuaries. This place where we unwind after a long day, share laughs with family and create memories. So stick around because today we are unraveling the secrets of turning your space into a cozy haven without any fancy frills or big budgets. We are talking about simple, double tips that can transform your home into a warm, inviting retreat. Ready to make your space not just a house but a true home. Let's get started. Now, who does not love coming back to a place that feels just right? A space that reflects your style and personality. Whether you are living in an apartment, a house, or sharing a room with roommates, we have got something for everyone. No interior design degree requirement. So, if you are ever felt that your place could use a bit more charm, a touch of warmth, or just some good vibes, you are in the right spot. Today, we are unlocking the simple secrets of arranging your home in the way that will make you look forward to opening that front door every single day. Stick around and let's make your home a little more you. Have you ever walked into someone's home and instantly felt at ease? That is the magic of a well arranged space. Picture this after a hectic day. You step into a room that just feels right, organized, cozy, and uniquely yours. It is about fancy furniture or high end decor. It is about creating an atmosphere that suits you. That is why we are kicking things off by exploring why home arrangement matters. Our homes are more than just wall and a roof. They are more personal retreats. How we arrange them can genuinely impact our mood and well-being. Imagine walking up to the bedroom that welcomes you with warmth or cooking in the kitchen, whether everything has its place. It is not about perfection, it is about crafting a space that support and uplift you. So in this section we will unravel the reasons why taking a bit of time to arrange your home thoughtfully can make a world of difference in how you feel each day. Ready to discover the simple secrets that can turn a house into a comforting home? Let's dive in. Ever wondered why the way you set up your home is a big deal? Well, let's break it down without getting too fancy. Picture this, you walk into a room and it just feels right, comfortable, welcoming, like a warm hug. That is the magic of a well arranged home. It is not about just having things in their places. It is about creating an environment that make you feel good. Think about how a messy room can sometimes add to the stress after a hectic day. Now imagine the opposite, a tidy, thoughtfully arranged space that instantly lifts your spirit. See the difference. It is not just about aesthetic, it is about how your home affects your mood and well being. When your living space is organized and reflects your style, it can boost your happiness and even productivity. We all want a home that is not just for walls and a roof, but a place that resonates with who we are. So, in this section, we are digging into how home arrangements matter on a deeper level, how it can impact your daily life in ways you might not have thought about before. Stay with me as we uncover the reasons behind the magic of a well set home. Let's dive into the nitty gritty of creativity of a comfy living space, something we all crave, right? First off, think about your favorite spot in the house. Is it the sofa where you sink into after a long day? Or maybe that corner by the window with the soft cushions. Well, that is the vibe we are aiming for here. Essential number one, comfy furniture. I am talking sofa that practically hug you and cushions that make you go when you sit down. Next up, colors. Now I am not going to throw around terms like color palettes. It is keep it real. Think about the colors that make you feel good. Maybe it is calming blue, warm yellows, or earthy tones. Whatever faults your boot. We are not hiring a fancy designer. We are just making your space feel like a big cozy hug. Lastly, sprinkle in some personal touches. Photos, your favorite blankets, or that mug you love. Your space should suit you when you walk in. Remember, it is about creating a living space that suits your vibe, not some showroom from a magazine. So grab a copa, get comfy, and let's turn into space your personal haven. Now let's get down a business, organizing your space in a way that makes every room feel like a breath of fresh air. No need for major overhauls or stressful weekend of cleaning. We are talking about practical, no nonsense tips that anyone can tackle. First off, storage. We all know that feeling of opening a closet and things tumbling out, right? Well, fear not. Grab some bins and baskets that they are your new best friends. Toss in those extra blankets, shoes, and whatever seems to be taking over your space. Suddenly, your room has this neat and tidy vibe without much effort. Now, let's talk about adding the personal touch to your space without burning a hole in your wallet. We all love a cozy and stylish home, but who said it has to cost a furniture? Here is the scoop on do it yourself. Decorating that will not break the bank. First up, think about those bare walls. Instead of spurging on expensive art, why not creating your own? You don't need to be the next Pasico. A simple framed collage of your favorite photos and postcards can instantly add character to any room. When it comes to furniture, don't rush into the storage just yet. Hit up thrift shops or online marketplaces for hidden gems waiting to be discovered. A little sanding, a fresh coat of paint, and voila. We have got a unique pieces that adds charm to your home. Now let's dive into some decor projects. Ever thought of repurposing old jars into stylish candles holders or turning wine corks into a trendy board? These are the kind of budget friendly die hacks that not only save your money but also infuse your home with a personal touch that store bought items simply cannot replicate. So get those creative juices flowing. Your wallet and